All right, here we go. Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Tonight I will be showing you off my 1950 Hoover. This is an old Hoover. It was made in the 50s, and I really found out this is a very old vacuum. Oh, what kind of vacuum is it? I'm going to show you. It's a Hoover. It says at the It's just a 1950 Hoover. Okay. Also, anyway, I really wanted to have this vacuum cleaner in my collection. And I wanted to have vacuum cleaners that were made from the 50s and the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and that's only it. Or maybe the early 2000s. And for first of all, I love older Hoover models. I really do. This machine came out by 1950, and also, if you ever see one of these machines, go look it up on Google. And for first of all, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click the subscribe button. And let me know on the comments what you'd like to see for our brand new Marshall Studios Forever. And I'm going to end up running the vacuum cleaner, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Well, the belt, it needs a belt. It's really hard to push. So like, man. Oh my gosh. Oh man, it's really hard to push, you guys. I think it needs a belt. It needs a belt, everybody. And also, if I ever find any belts for it, I'll let you know on eBay. And also, they don't make belts for it anymore. And this is a shake bag. And you know, instead of putting paper bags or rubber bags, I believe. For first of all, anyway, I want to make sure you click thumbs up for the next video. And also, stay tuned, everybody.